Understanding, it's unsightly, an English phrase explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, it's unsightly. This phrase can be a bit tricky for English learners, so we'll break it down with examples and contexts to help you understand and use it correctly in your conversations. It's unsightly is an expression used to describe something that is unpleasant to look at, often because it's messy, in poor condition, or just not aesthetically pleasing. The word unsightly comes from combining un, meaning not, with sightly, an old-fashioned word for beautiful or pleasing to the eye. So, unsightly literally means not pleasing to the eye. To understand how it's unsightly is used, let's look at some examples. Example 1. Imagine a garden full of weeds and overgrown bushes. Someone might say, "This garden is unsightly, it needs some serious tending." Example 2. If a person wears clothes that are dirty or torn, a fashion-conscious friend might comment, "That outfit is rather unsightly for a formal event." Example 3. In a city context, graffiti on historical monuments can be referred to as unsightly. The unsightly graffiti on the monument spoils its historical beauty. Knowing synonyms and antonyms can deepen your understanding of unsightly. Synonyms include unattractive, ugly, displeasing, hideous. Antonyms are attractive, beautiful, pleasing, sightly. When using "it's unsightly," remember it's often a subjective opinion. Here are some sentence structures. Simple statement, it's unsightly. This is a straightforward way to express your opinion. Descriptive, the pile of trash on the sidewalk is unsightly. Here, you're describing a specific unsightly object or situation. Suggestive, it's unsightly, we should clean it up. This implies a need for action to correct the unsightly condition. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, it's unsightly. Remember, language is about expressing your thoughts and feelings, and this phrase is a useful tool for describing things that are not visually appealing. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.